In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to switch to dark mode in Notion. Reduced eye strain, improved readability, enhanced focus, and aesthetics are some of the common reasons why some people prefer dark mode. Whatever your reason is, here's how to enable dark mode. On your left sidebar, go to Settings and Members. A new window will appear. Click My Notifications and Settings, and under My Settings, there's a drop-down menu for Appearance. Click it and you'll see three options. Use system settings will match your system's appearance. If your PC or Mac is set to light, Notion will be light too. If it's dark, that's what also Notion is going to look like. Since you're watching this video, it's safe to say that light is your current mode. If this option is chosen, Notion will be in light mode and will ignore your system settings. Dark. Now, this is the option you're looking for. If you choose this, dark mode will be enabled and will ignore your system settings. That's it. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.